Young.
What's up, fam? This is Roach Coach with another video today. I'm going to be taking you guys to the Hoonigan / Fat Lease burn yard in Irwindale. So that's what this video is going to be about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and when I reach 50 followers, that's when I'm going to be end up giving away the 1.8 headers and other merchandise. So don't forget to subscribe, because that is going to happen. So alright, let's go ahead and take you guys with me today. And peace. You guys have a good one.
Run it up, big bet, big bet, big bet, big bet. Winning that big bet, big bet, big bet, big bet. Cashing that big bet, smoking that big bet, big bet. Getting that big bet, run it up, big bet, big bet. Winning that big bet, big bet, big bet, big bet. Cashing that big bet, smoking that big bet, big bet. Dice games, no small change. Dime bags in them hallways. Young hustlers trying to get paid. Mention Rialto, bet they speak my name. Buy the city bag, with my family on the block. Buy a liquor store, no tax. Gas station, cause I keep the gas. Got a plan, gotta put the city on the map, right? In the city, under street lights. Get ready, pick you up, let's go grab something to eat like Brothers Pizza, we could hit the plaza. First date, you know I do it proper. Dairy Queen with some blue dream. She top it off, no whipped cream. Compliments on how my whip clean. Tinted windows so you can't see. Elusive baby, this some big dreams. Focus up and get rich schemes. Bad bitch on a jet ski in a big boat and she love weed. Feed me grapes while these haters hate. No intimidation, treat them all the same. Stuck in my way, making a play, sounding a wave while smoking a J. No stuck in the days, I'm up getting paid. I'm down in this race, keep on my way, dropping the Smelling so fresh, my women they clean. Copped a new whip, living my dream. Smoking the best, the plot is a scheme. Smoke to the chest to cool off my steam.
Sort out this fucking city. While we're working to fix this microphone situation. So, if you're gonna ride on wheels like that on a Viper, we're gonna need to hear that rap later. Good for America. kind of essentially what? Let's see what we got through the rest of the guys. That's it. We have two very strong contenders on right now, Zach. We're all digging that E36, and we're also digging that S14 that was out there. Who the true scumbag is, and then you have this man out here trying to compete for that lead spot. This guy was actually submitted to our Burnout Kings competition 2 months ago, made it in this month with Versus.com. Still moving. I'm telling you, he's beyond his way destructible. Apparently this is his first attempt at welding, purple hook